So we're looking at credit notes, and a credit note is pretty much like a discount voucher. Why you get given a credit note? Well, if you look at the three sort of documents we've looked at so far, you obviously you start off if you want to buy something from a supplier, you put together a purchase order and you send it over to the supplier. The supplier then sends you all the stuff that's on the purchase order with a delivery note. You check the delivery note against everything that's in the box to make sure it's all there and it's all in one piece. And then you tick off on the delivery note saying, I'm really happy, and you send it back and it's all good. And then they invoice you, right? If the delivery note has stuff on it that you've not been sent, obviously the supplier's made an error. And this can happen quite regularly in sort of business shipping, for example. And so what happens is you send the delivery note back saying thank you for most of the stuff, but you've not sent me this, you've not sent me this, you've not sent me this, and these three items are broken or damaged. And the supplier then needs to act. They can either replace those items immediately and send them back out. Or they could say, look, are you happy to keep trading for the time being with what we've sent you? And then the next time you raise an order, you can have those things for free. And, well, not for free, you've already paid for them technically. And so the recipient then says, yeah, fair enough. So what happens is the supplier sends out a credit note saying, look, according to our accounts, you are owed these items, therefore you're in credit with us at the moment, and we'll give you these for free next time you place an order. And that's how this often works, and everyone's happy with that kind of situation. So a credit note's almost like a little voucher saying, look, next time you raise an order, you are actually entitled to these things for free because we didn't send you them last time. That's basically what it is. So if we look at this exercise here, it's quite a nasty one really because you've got to read it and interpret it. It's saying that she had an order and she ordered 14 boxes but only received 10 and one was damaged. So technically it was 9 boxes. So she couldn't use one of the boxes. She only received 9 out of the 14. So 14 minus 9 is 5. So that's what goes on the credit note there, 5. Okay, the description is chocolate caramel box. Make sure you put a capital at the beginning of each of these, it's always useful. Right, the unit price is $5.99. And the item number doesn't have that. It's from a previous exercise. Obviously, you'd be given this in the exam, but we just put that NA for now. All right. There is an order number. We'll put the order number in. There we go. Actually, item slash order number. So the order number is 67856CD. It's just there, isn't it? Okay. So the value of these 5 then is 5.99 multiplied by 5. 29.95. Okay, so that's how much we're owed in terms of caramel boxes. Then she also received 60 chocolate eggs, 7 of which were found to be damaged. So the eggs 60 of those 7 were damaged, so it's a quantity of 7 that we can claim against. And each is £3.50. Remember, the order number is what we're logging this against. 3.5 times 7. £24.50. Okay. Now, if you're going to be billed including VAT for the whole thing in the past, obviously we want to work out what the cost of these things including VAT is so that we don't overcharge the customer or the customer doesn't get overcharged. So the subtotal of that is 29.95 plus 24.5, 54.45. VAT obviously is at a rate of 20%, so we multiply that number by 0.2. Just check it's all there. £10.89. And the refunded amount is that plus 54.45. So that's 65.34. So what we have then is 65.34 credit. So next time we place an order for some stuff, we can claim that much money back from whatever we're ordering. It doesn't actually have to be these items. I don't know if I made that clear in the previous comments before I did this exercise. It's just we've got £65.34 credit with the company now because they sent us some faulty stuff. Therefore, they've sent us this credit note saying that we can sort of knock that off the price of anything that we put together as an order in the future. So that's a credit note. Pretty straightforward.